All right, so I'm gonna do a little solar panel test here today. This is a panel my brother has, and I just kind of borrowed it from him temporarily. It's the Ecoflow, the fold out panel there. So he's been using it. I know it works obviously and everything. So I'm just gonna grab that and give it a quick little test out of our backyard here, and test our inverter and see what kind of solar it gets into it. Because not 100% sure if we're having an issue with our inverter or not. Seems to be only able to about put out around 4,500, maybe 5,000 on the inverter part. So I'm going to be doing that test after this, but I want to get the solar panel test out of the way just because it's middle of the day, high solar, that kind of stuff. So gotta move that cable out of my way. Stretch this out. So get this out here. And I mean, this is by no means, any kind of official testing or anything like that. It's just a matter of, like I said, I want to see the inputs on our inverter. If I can untangle this. Jeez. Could you get it much more tangled? I'm sure he could. Oh, yeah. All nicely twisted and everything, too. So, wow. Okay. How did he manage to do that? Let's see here. Yeah, that is all like inside of itself with inside of itself, inside of itself. Let's see if we can get that to go there. That to go there. Let's see. See where you guys ended up here. All right. And do that one. And of course, that's all twisted up on itself. So let's see if we got that out to there. Doesn't have to be perfect, so just need to be able to get enough run to get to where I've got my battery temporarily put. So I've got it pulled out of the closet because, like I said, I'm gonna do some testing and stuff. So we will see here. Obviously, I have it just kind of sitting out here. So, all right. All right. So we got that part there. Just need enough cord to stick this out the back door. That probably will be enough length. Hey, wow. It is warm out here. Damn. Oh, all right. Whew. It is very warm out there. Very warm. All right. All right. So the low is blinking. All right. So just with them sitting like that, getting 120 watts. So obviously the solar's working. That's good. Can't test the high one, obviously. So at 120 watts right now that we're getting, it would take 5 days and 14 hours and 16 minutes to charge our batteries from 65 to 100. Yeah, obviously that's not completely realistic. So, but yeah, it is working. So that's good to know. All right. Well, let's get it disconnected here. Turn that off. All right. All right. Let's grab them and bring them back in. Okay. All right. So we know that works. That's good. So thanks for joining me. And we're going to do some more testing here in a minute on a different video. Thanks.